What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Akim Sterling here. Now in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to connect an external microphone onto your computer. So whether you're using USB Type-C, 3.5mm port or a audio mixing device, I'm going to show you guys inside this video the steps of connecting those microphones onto your computer. So for example, if I should be using this wireless USB microphone right here, what I would do is that I would connect the USB inside my computer. Now it doesn't matter if it's wireless or wired, it will work perfectly fine. So I can connect this right here into my computer. Then what I want to do is go on my system. Now once I go on my computer, I want to go into settings. So I'm going to pull up settings right here. Then we are going to go to sound. Now as you can see right there, we have the sound settings onto my computer right there. Now what you want to do now is go to output and input device right here. As you can see right here, I have a list of different devices. Now what you want to do right now is to select the input device for the sound that we are going to use. Now this right here is a mono wireless. So I'm going to click on that, which is a USB. And right there you can see I have selected that as my input device. Now for output, I'm going to leave it into the built-in speaker, because I want to have playbacks when I'm actually recording if I want to hear that. So I leave that output to my MacBook Pro speaker. Now once you pull up your OBS software, you can see right there some bit amount of sound bar. That means that this right microphone right here is being connected and it's been working onto this right here. Or you can actually go to if you're using OBS software for your audio device, you can go and then select an input audio capture. Or you can just do that and just select on the microphone that you're using. Let's say I'm using wireless microphone right here and enable, and you can see how it's connected right there. We can use for sound. So that way you can see the monitoring of your sound right there. So whether you're using a USB microphone, a 3.5mm microphone, or a wireless microphone, this right here is the same process of connecting your mic onto your computer. So let me know if this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And as always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.